Hello bears, today I will create another backlink for my website. Also you can take unlimited backlink from this website, so don't skip the video and please subscribe my channel to get new video. At first I copy the website URL and go to Chrome browser and paste here the website URL. The website name is social bookmark sheet. Okay, I am enter the website. Okay, you can see like this interface. Click on sign up. After click on sign up, you can see like this interface. For sign up, give a unique username, give a validated email address and a password. Click on check mark and click on I am not a robot, this captcha. Then click on sign up. I have already account, so I log in. Okay, after logging you can see like this interface. For backlink, click on save bookmark. Okay, then you can see like this interface. From here you can take a backlink for your website. Here give me my website URL. Okay, now I am copy the backlink title. Here you can give tag. Okay, now I copy for this caption. Okay, now fill up the captcha. Okay, then click on add bookmark. Okay, you can see your bookmark was successfully added. Another backlink are created for my website. That way you can take unlimited backlink from this website. Thanks for watching the video.